Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. As you can see, we got a box from Pinty here. So we just got a quick air ups. Kevin at Pinty is their marketing manager. I think that's the right term for him. But he reached out and asked if he could send me. So I know what I expect this to be. Which is a Vanguard. But we'll open it up, take a look. This is fresh from the mail. I didn't get tracking or anything. I just came home to it. Nice blessing, nice surprise. Again, this was sent to me by Pinty, but that doesn't mean that we're going to treat it any different than any of our other reviews. I'll give you my honest opinions, but I do want to put that disclaimer out. This is not one Papa purchased with his own. Trying to finish getting this cut so you're not just staring at a box here. There we go. Got the top off. Packed just like we've come to expect. So you can see user manual. Have a blast. QR code for manual and video. We'll of course read this before using. Goes through loading magazine, loading the gun, etc. Set that aside. We do have 2 magazines in here. Similar in feel or style to our timber. Will be a load from the right instead of the left this time. Nice change for me. Does not give you the numbers. Does not have a, in case you're wondering, doesn't have a stop. Does come with its own moderator. Put that back in. And then, this should look real familiar. The maintenance kit. This one even comes with a spring and a single shot tray, which is a nice upgrade from the Gen 1 guns. Alright, now the main attraction. Pull out the rifle here. It's definitely a Vanguard, so similar in style to the timber. It is a little carbine styled rifle. It is a rotate instead of pull for the fill port. Gauge still on the end, like we've come to expect. It's got a max pressure, 250 bar, 3625. There's our nice big port right there. It is dovetail, just like the timber, but this comes with iron sights, so you don't have to mount a scope. The rear sight is on that dovetail. It's got fiber optics, so it's got yellow back here. Turn this around so you guys can see. I guess you could have seen it anyway. So it's got the yellow 2 dots back here. We got that red fiber optic up front. Gives a really nice picture. Threaded end cap here. Take off so that we can put the moderator on the end. We'll test with and without for sound when we go to do our testing. But at least show you guys putting it on there, see how it looks. Doesn't see it anywhere on the rifle or the magazines. But it is a 177 cal. At least that's what I'm expecting, is a 177 cal. It's got a nice feel to it though. Looking forward to trying this out and see how it does. Put it through its paces. This will be our first 177 caliber PCP. So something a little bit different for the channel. Anyway, that's all for now, family. Thanks for stopping by Papa T Adventures. We'll see you next time. God bless. Take care.